Hi, I'm Mivi, a tech brand that makes in India.
And I am a tech brand that, well, claims to make in India. Oh my god, bro! Who thinks and executes so deeply? You just have to take a hand and attach it. See? So simple.
This is what differentiates us. I make products for the Indian consumer. And you just like putting things together.
Oh, bro. Trust me, nobody cares. Nobody.
Don't know about others, but your body surely cares.
Bro, you are just crazy. And total nuts you are. Bro, nobody will even get to know. Wait, let me show you. Okay, sure, some might notice. But dude, you can fool everyone just like this.
Okay, as you say.
Wait, let me give this an Indian touch. Q.
Well, we all saw your fall coming.
Do you want a hand?